Today, almost every businessman is worried how to pursue his business post COVID. Most of them are pessimistic and skeptical as to where the business will take them after the COVID, especially in the context of the economic recession which is expected after COVID. Now, I have a simple advice for all of them. So, you must realize that the economy is not going to be the same after COVID. We must also realize that the buying power of the people would be seriously affected. It would be, to a large extent, even nullified. In this context, what I believe you should be doing is three things. I would put it like this: downsize, downstock, and downgrade. What that means is, number one, downsizing. Please note, the business volumes are going to be considerably less after COVID for quite some time, maybe 1 or 2 years. Hence, there is no escape from downsizing. Though downsizing means your employees losing their jobs. You may have no choice, because if you don't downsize, the business may perish, collapse, and all your employees may lose jobs. That will be an even greater human tragedy. So obviously, you may have to downsize. Second is downstock, means so you have to play with your inventories. Your business cannot accommodate, whether it is raw material inventory, finished product inventory, whatever. You cannot afford to stock as much as before COVID in the post-COVID recessionary days. So you have to downstock, reduce stocks substantially, and tune it to the demand of the post-COVID scenario. The third point here is downgrade. See, if your stocking pattern is, say, 20% premium products, 40 to 50% moderate, medium value products, and 10 to 20% economy products. If this was your stocking pattern pre-COVID, post-COVID it has to significantly change. You have to reduce the premium stock to, say, 5%. Reduce medium stock to, say, 30 to 40%. And increase the economy stock from 40 to 50%. So most of your stocks need to be economy products. So this is downgrade. So if you want to survive post-COVID, the only way out is downsize in terms of manpower. You may have to downsize in terms of shop size, etc. Downsizing may go beyond manpower. Downstock. We cannot afford to maintain the kind of inventory we used to maintain before COVID. We do not have that kind of working capital. We cannot afford to have so much locked up capital. We cannot afford to pay the interest towards such heavy locked up capital. So you have to obviously downstock, reduce inventory, and then downgrade. If you had 20% premium products, 40 to 50% medium price products, and 10 to 20% economy products, it has to drastically change to 40 to 50% economy products, 20 to 30%, 20 to 40% medium price products, and just about 5 to 10% premium products. I believe this is the only way to survive the recessionary period post-COVID. However, I leave this suggestion to the greater experience of entrepreneurs to analyze and accept it if they find it valuable. Thank you very much.